Open the CMTrading mobile app and log into your account. Locate the tab called Kuma. You can access Copycat through Kuma, a social trading platform connected to traders from all around the world. Browse the list of available traders to find the one that matches your trading preferences, risk tolerance, and investment goals. Use the top navigation menu to filter the list of available traders by category. You can select between Editor's Choice, Most Copied, Most Profitable, Trending, and Top Investors. By tapping on a trader's avatar, you can see details about their profile. Tap on the Details tab to see users' full profile. Select the trader you want to copy by clicking on the Copy button next to their profile. Choose the amount. Set any relevant parameters, such as stop loss and take profit. Confirm the action by clicking on the Start Copy button. Fund the trade if needed. The selected trade will be copied into your account. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more instructional videos or follow us on social media. Happy trading!